Hi folks, Doug here, Ellis Car Customs. Welcome back to your show of shows. Um, Thanks for coming back. Thanks for giving me a little time to clear the cobwebs and get over feeling sorry for myself and um, back to doing something interesting. Uh, Not sure what I'll get done today. I got this wild hair up my ass about what I want to do today. It depends on if Mother Nature cooperates with me, because it wants to rain, it might rain. Uh, it already feels like it's raining because it's like 95 degrees. Um, yeah, so I picked a good time to come back down here, I guess. But yeah, life is good. Life goes on. We all have to keep moving forward, and that's what we're going to do here. So hopefully you'll hang around with me no matter what I get done today, and by the end of it, maybe we'll both have a smile on our face. Thanks for coming. I know my buddy Charlie said something about maybe we should start a GoFundMe for Doug for a lift. And my buddy Chris said, well, you gotta have 12-foot ceilings for a lift. And I planned ahead on this side of my garage. I do have 12-foot ceilings because my intention in this side was always to put a lift in here. So I planned ahead. The only thing I don't have is the lift. So this bay hasn't been empty since October of 2024 when that junk two-door hardtop rolled in here and the journey began. So we've got it shoved outside. It's obviously quite dusty, and I'm going to give it a good cleaning anyway. But yeah, I had my wife and son had to help me get it out of there because I didn't have quite enough oomph to push it by myself up the hill. But I'm going to clean it up. We'll see how it looks clean. But this is what it looks like outside. I can actually stand back and get the whole thing in frame. Can you imagine that? That's never happened.
Just as the rain started coming down, sun shone on my face and it feels so good, just like I knew it would. It's there for all to see, right where I wanna be, right where I wanna be. Right where I wanna be, right where I wanna be, right where I wanna be. Sun down in a crystal clear blue sky, watching the clouds all pass on by. Night falls and the stars are all I see. Look how they shine for me, right there for all to see. Right where I wanna be, right where I wanna be. Right where I wanna be, right where I wanna be. Right where I wanna be. Sunrise brings another brand new day. Now there's nothing standing in our way. Believe me, my love is all for you. For everything you do, for everything to me. Right where I wanna be, right where I wanna be. Right where I wanna be, right where I wanna be. Right where I wanna be, right where I wanna be. Right where I wanna be, right where I wanna be. Right where I wanna be.
So the white looks a little whiter and the blue looks a little bluer. I mean, it'll have to get a final buff to really make it look nice, but we got about a year's worth of crud and stuff off of it and made it look a lot more presentable. So yeah, that's satisfying, I think. I got to clean up the floor in there before I put it back in, but at least the car will be a lot cleaner, and we all got a chance to stand back and admire the thing. It rolled in a two-door and it rolled out a wagon, so I like it. What do you guys think? So we've come to the end of another sweaty episode. Thank you for sticking it out if you did. Your reward was seeing the car outside. And it gives you kind of a preview of the future when it rolls out under its own power. We sort of cheated today. I had a little help pushing it out. But next time it rolls out, with any luck, it'll be under its own power. I mean, I know everything we did today didn't get us a step closer to starting the engine, but it was still oddly satisfying. Anyway, because I was like you guys. I wanted to see what it looked like outside too. You know, they always look different under the lights than out in natural light. And I think the blue looks really sweet in natural light. Of course, the sun's not really shining, so you don't get the full effect of sunlight shining off of it. But I like it anyway. So I'm glad to be back. I'm glad you guys stuck with me. Who stuck with me? I don't know until I put this video up how many of you did stick with me. Hopefully it's all my good friends, and maybe a few new ones. If you're new and you like this crazy stuff, maybe give me a sub. We're creeping up on 3,000 subs, which is pretty cool for a little channel like mine. And what else can I say? Thanks for coming. Hope to see you on the next one. Take care.